Watermelon isn't just a summer treat, it's a powerhouse of nutrients, ready to fight off diseases like a warrior, packed with hydration, antioxidants, and essential vitamins. This juicy fruit is here to protect your body in ways you never imagined. From your skin to your heart, from digestion to your brain, watermelon works like a charm. If you think it's just sugar and water, you're about to be mind blown. Let's dive into how this refreshing fruit can battle major health issues. Get ready to be amazed and, of course, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting health facts. Heart disease, your heart's best friend. Watermelon is a natural heart booster, thanks to its high citrulline content, which relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. It's also rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that reduces bad cholesterol and inflammation in arteries. This means fewer chances of strokes and heart attacks, making your ticker work like a well-oiled machine. Plus, its potassium content helps lower blood pressure, keeping your heart in a happy rhythm. Unlike fatty foods that clog arteries, watermelon keeps things flowing smoothly. A few slices a day might just keep the cardiologist away. So next time you crave a snack, let your heart say, watermelon, please. Kidney stones, nature's best detox. Kidney stones are painful, but watermelon can help flush them out before they ruin your day. This fruit is 92% water, which means it naturally cleanses the kidneys and prevents stone formation. Its high potassium levels regulate acid levels in urine, reducing the chances of stones forming. Citrulline also plays a role in detoxifying ammonia, keeping your kidneys functioning at their best. Unlike sodas and processed juices that burden the kidneys, watermelon helps them stay fresh and clean. If you've ever had a kidney stone, you know it's not something you want again, so grab that watermelon. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Diabetes, the sweet treat that's actually good for you. Think diabetics can't enjoy watermelon? Think again. With a low calorie count and high fiber content, this fruit helps regulate blood sugar levels. Lycopene, the magic compound inside, has been linked to improving insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to use sugar. Unlike refined sweets that cause blood sugar spikes, watermelon provides natural sweetness without harming insulin balance. The high water content also keeps you full longer, reducing the urge to binge on unhealthy carbs. When eaten in moderation, it can be a diabetic's best summer treat. So, swap that candy bar for a slice of watermelon. Your blood sugar will stay in check, and your taste buds will dance. Skin and hair, the ultimate beauty fruit. Forget expensive creams. Watermelon is your natural beauty secret, packed with vitamins A and C. It boosts collagen production, making your skin glow and your hair shine. The high water content keeps your skin hydrated, preventing dryness and flakiness. Unlike chemical-filled skincare products, watermelon works from the inside out, giving you a natural, radiant look. The amino acids in watermelon also promote blood flow, helping nutrients reach your hair follicles. If you want clear skin and luscious hair, make watermelon your daily beauty ritual. Digestive issues, your stomach's best buddy. Constipation, bloating, indigestion. Watermelon has got your back. Thanks to its high water and fiber content, it keeps your digestive system moving smoothly. Fiber acts as a gentle cleanser for your intestines, while water helps flush out toxins. Unlike greasy, heavy foods that slow digestion, watermelon is light, refreshing, and gut-friendly. It also contains natural enzymes that aid in breaking down food, preventing bloating and discomfort. If your stomach feels sluggish, ditch the processed snacks and bite into a juicy watermelon instead. Your gut will feel refreshed, and your belly will be bloat-free. Muscle soreness, the recovery fuel you need. If you've ever woken up sore after a workout, watermelon is your best post-exercise buddy. Thanks to Citrulline, it helps reduce muscle fatigue and speeds up recovery. This amino acid improves blood flow, allowing nutrients to reach tired muscles faster. Unlike artificial energy drinks loaded with sugar, watermelon provides natural hydration and electrolytes without the crash. The potassium inside helps prevent cramps, making it a must-have for athletes and gym lovers. Whether you're lifting weights or running miles, a watermelon smoothie can be your best recovery drink. So sip on some watermelon juice and let your muscles thank you. Brain health, your memory's secret weapon. Want to stay sharp and focused? Watermelon has got your brain covered. Lycopene fights oxidative stress, which is linked to memory loss and cognitive decline. The high water content prevents dehydration, a major cause of brain fog and headaches. Potassium ensures proper nerve function, keeping your thoughts clear and sharp. Unlike processed snacks that drain your energy, watermelon gives you a steady supply of nutrients for mental clarity. Studies suggest it may even help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. So if you want a brain boost, make watermelon your go-to snack. Stay hydrated, stay smart. Watermelon isn't just a tasty fruit, it's nature's gift to your health. From your heart to your skin, from your muscles to your brain. This juicy superhero fights for you every day. Next time you see a watermelon, don't just think of it as a summer snack, think of it as your personal health shield. Want more amazing health tips like this? Subscribe now and never miss out on nature's best kept secrets.